Good morning to all of you friends. Today I'm gonna teach you how to connect MongoDB to any ideally. Ideally means any editor. So first we will discuss about ideally and then MongoDB, because I have already discussed about in my previous video how to install MongoDB, how to create table, how to create documents, many more things I have already discussed about in my previous video. So if you have not watched right now, so just go and watch my videos how we are doing this thing, and then we have to connect MongoDB to ideally, and then we have to fetch data from database to ideally. But if you want to use your another editor, because here there are many type of editor are available here, so what you want to install, just go and take, because I am using many type of editors. So just I have show you already in my video. So just if you can see my video, just like PyCharm, Sublime, Visual Studio, Jupyter, many more type of editor, and you can see ideally are available. So just choose your suitable for your writing, suitable for your choosing, and just choose and write. Now we will come in my laptop window, and then we will discuss about how to connect, because without further any delay, now already I came in my window. Just you can see my pop-up menu, how this looks like. Okay, now we will find how we are doing these all things. Okay, now just you can see where my cursor is moving. My cursor is moving, and then we have to create my file name, and then we have to connect MongoDB to any ideally. Okay, so first what you need to do, now you can see here many more type of things: file, edit, selection, find, view, go to, tools, and project, preference, many more things. So now you have to select tools. Okay, then when you will go tools, and then inside tools many more options are there. Okay, so just you have to select your preferences and add build system. Then you have to go tools, and then you have to select build system. Okay, in build system many more options are there. So first you have to select your according to your choosing, and there many more options. So first go and new building system you have to select. Okay, and then it will, after it will creating, you have to save your project name, just like I have done right now, and then you have to give your selection, and then most important thing whatever I am doing done. Okay, now how to connect. Okay, this is the main reason. So because this is the main problem with everyone, there is no any database will be connected easily. So now we will discuss about how to connect easily without any problem. Okay, so first you have to go inside build, and then you have to save your file as before I already discussed about, and then you have to go script. Okay, and then script it will automatically open when you will do that thing. Okay, and then whatever you want, just show database. I have written just show database, and just show database, and then what you have to do, just control B. Just when you will paste your control B, and then automatically it will be open whatever you have done. Just if you want to show your print hello world and print any of these, now from here your database and your editor successfully connected. There is no need to worry about that. Just whatever you want, it will work perfectly. If you have any problem, you can discuss on my video YouTube comment box. Given comment box you can send whatever you want, whatever you have problem. Now just in my next session we will discuss about how to make Django project, and then with Django project how we connect Django to Mongo, because Mongo is a database, because many people don't know what is this. So this is a MongoDB database, and Django is a framework. So how we will collect Django to Mongo, now we will discuss, and now we will meet in my next session. तब तक के लिए नाउ फॉर दिस गुड बाय बाय।